Number 5. iBirdie 8K Ultra High Speed 2.1 HDMI Cable. Why it is the best HDMI cable for PlayStation 5. Number 1. 48 Gbps Ultra High Speed compatible with Dolby Vision, Atmos PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox One Series X. Number 2. 48 Gbps bandwidth for latest features HDR, high bandwidth digital content protection 2.3 2.2 compatible with Dolby Atmos Vision. Number 3. 8K HDMI 2.1 cable, 8K 60Hz, 4K 120Hz, 144Hz enhanced audio return channel. Number 4. Compatible with PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, LG CX, C9, B9, Sony X900H, Z8H, NVIDIA RTX 3080 or 3090. Number 4. Zeskit Maya Ultra High Speed 2.1 HDMI Cable. Why it is the best HDMI cable for PlayStation 5. Number 1. Supports PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox, Sony, Samsung, LG, Blu-ray player, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, AMD Radeon, NVIDIA RTX, GeForce Shield. Number 2. Compatible with latest HDMI 2.1 devices. Number 3. Bandwidth 48 Gbps. Number 4. Features Dynamic HDR, DTS HD Master Audio, DTS-X, Dolby True HD, Dolby Atmos, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, Auto Low Latency Mode, Variable Refresh Rate, Quick Media Switching, Quick Frame Transport. Number 3. PowerA Ultra High Speed 2.1 HDMI Cable. Why it is the best HDMI cable for PlayStation 5. Number 1. Officially licensed for PlayStation 5. Number 2. Optimized for gaming. Get 4K resolution at up to 120 FPS. Number 3. Supports dynamic HDR and enhanced audio return channel. Number 4. Reliable high performance ultra high speed HDMI cable. Number 5. Uninterrupted speed and maximum visual performance. Number 6. Transmits 4K resolution at 120 Hz and 8K resolution at 60 Hz as specified in HDMI 2.1. Number 7. Supports up to 48 Gbps bandwidth. Number 8. Backwards compatible with earlier HDMI technology. Number 2. Stouchi doubled braided 2.1 HDMI cable. Why it is the best HDMI cable for PlayStation 5. Number 1. Double braided 8K HDMI cable is compatible for your streaming devices PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 3, Xbox One or 360, Apple TV, NVIDIA Shield TV, CD, DVD, Blu-ray players, Fire TV, Roku Ultra, Nintendo Switch, computers or other HDMI enabled devices. Number 2. Stouchi Real 8K HDMI 2.1 cable support 8K 60 Hz, 4K 144 Hz, 120 Hz, 60 Hz. A range of resolution are supported including 5K and 10K. Number 3. 48 Gbps bandwidth for latest features HDR, HDCP 2.2 or 2.3, DTS-X, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision. Number 5. 30 AWG copper wire triple tin shielded. Number 6. Gold plated corrosion resistant connectors. Number 1. Belkin Ultra High Speed 2.1 HDMI Cable. Why it is the best HDMI cable for PlayStation 5. Number 1. Supports for Sony PlayStation 5 and Microsoft Xbox Series X or any other compatible gaming console or HDMI device to unleash the full potential and speed of 4K HDR. Number 2. Supports Dolby Vision and 4K HDR. Number 3. Delivers 8K 60Hz or 4K 120Hz. Number 4. Simple plug and play connectivity compatible with MacBooks, laptops, AV components, media players, DVD players, cable boxes and gaming consoles. Number 5. This Belkin Ultra HD high-speed 4K HDMI 2.1 cable supports the highest resolution, refresh rates and the most immersive viewing experience available, including compatibility with Dolby Vision.